Hi Kurt, I wanted to give you a short video on how to install this tab and just make sure we're on the same page. That way I get you a tab that works. So here's the tab that I hopefully sent you. It looks something like this. And so this is the picture that I sent you. It's got one working tab over here and then the other side obviously is missing. So being on the right side, I'm just going to flip this thing over, line it up with the post on the back, and then slide it into place. So I don't know if you can see it, but you know, it's the louvers in the back move fully, and then it's got full range of motion up and down. So if you would just review this and let me know where you think I'm off. I can definitely send one with extended legs. I just, again, based on previous experience, want to make sure I understand the problem, and then I can go from there. Thanks.